And this hot pepper will give it a very nice flavor. But don't allow it to burst in it, because it will be very hot, okay? Good afternoon, I'm Sylvia. I'm located at 31 Gaskin Road, Bonaccord, Tobago. Welcome to my kitchen. Good afternoon. I'm just doing a demonstration to you all. I'm not really selling food. This is demonstrating how I prepare crab and dumpling. First thing we're doing is the curry crab. Right? Well, you have your stove, you have your pot. You preheat your pot. This is the curry. The other ingredients here is shallow benning. This is garlic, the main ingredients. Okay. So add a little water to your curry powder and put it into a paste.
How come you add the water as opposed to just like adding the curry powder to the pot?
Well, some people could do it like that, but I use a different technique. So this is my technique.
So you do this for years?
That's right. Regular vegetable oil. Put in 2 tablespoons of oil in the preheat pot. Add some garlic. The shallow benning. You allow it to saute a little, get out the fragrance. So when this is, we call it simmer in local, add in your curry, okay? And lower the curry to closer. This is the crab, already seasoned.
What do you normally season it with?
With local season like garlic, onion, a little tip of ginger, thyme, celery, just local season. Okay, a little lemon juice. Okay, and I'm going to add it here now. Ready? And I cover it for about 5 minutes to steam. I'll show you something as it steams. Right? So it's broken and, well, we don't grate anymore, we blend. Get the thick juice. So this is the product of the coconut right here.
That's fresh coconut milk?
Fresh coconut milk.
No powder coconut?
No, fresh. Fresh. 1 cup of flour. You can use you could do cassava dumpling if you wish. We're not doing that today. It's just cornmeal. Okay? And flour. Yeah. Pinch of salt. And I put in my dumpling a pinch of sugar. Right? Brown sugar.
Texture you're looking for?
We're looking for well, it's just cornmeal. So I mix it, might feel a little coarse. But at the end of it, you're supposed to have a smooth base. You know, because you're going to need it. No, no, it must not be too soft. Firm. So you can throw all the water at one time. Throw a little now, throw again, you need it. It's over the hand, not the machine. So you leave this for about 15 minutes, and then I give it another, you need to get a smooth dough like this. Okay? Come and see something. Huh? See all this white stuff coming out? That is showing you that this crab is ready for the coconut. So you give it a stir again. It's almost dried out. And then you add the coconut to it. Leave this to cook. So in the meantime, we're going to get this flat. It all depends on how you like your dumpling. Some people like the dumpling thick, some like it almost thick, and some like it thin. Right? So I'm going to give you in between. All right? And shape is very important. How we do a dumpling? We cut them. So we go to the pot with the dumpling now. Ready?
So you're adding it to boiling water.
Yes.
That water has salt in it.
Salt, yes. Not too much salt, but just salt. Right? You see this at a float, and then you will start cooking. This is a sign that it's almost cooked. When you leave the bottom and come to the top. Right? And this hot pepper will give it a very nice flavor. But don't allow it to burst in it, because it will be very hot, okay? If it was just plain flour, it was much easier to boil. But because you have cornmeal, which is ground corn, give it a little more time. No, we're not getting any large crab. Small crab, but believe you me, the smaller crab is more sweeter than the large crab. Yeah.
So these are local crabs?
Yeah, right on the village here.
So where you learn to make crab and dumpling?
Well, right here in home.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So your mom or?
No, listen to me. My mom never made crab and dumpling this way. But they teach us one way, and I just improvise and do things to my, improve on it then. Yeah. So I'm going to remove it from the water and put it to drain here.
Just checking for salt now.
Just check it for salt. It has all the flavor. You might want a little more salt, right? But it's good.